Hey game creators, I've got something special for you. A brand new character model that's perfect for your game. This bad boy is tailor-made for grinders, mobs, and all sorts of enemies. The face comes with 4 dynamic blend shapes. Realistic blinking, breathing nostrils, jaw movement, and even a moving tongue. Action-packed animations include combat sequences, smooth walking, and fast running. And don't worry, even though I'm still learning, they're solid and ready to bring your game to life. Let's talk tech. We're looking at one material, 6 high-res textures that can be optimized from 4K to 512 without losing quality. 12,207 vertices and 20,210 triangles. Want to help me grow? Give this model a star. Your support keeps me motivated and pushing forward. Game on!